it's Valerie here again. Thanks for watching my channel and for subscribing. Now, if you have been browsing my channel, you may have come across one or two videos showing off my space, what I've been doing to get my designs. We acquired this property just over a year ago, and I have this quaint little building which I've been working on to display all my creative stuff, my vintage wear, and the aim is actually to make it a destination. Okay, so what I want to do is to make a shelf with this piece of wood that I picked up off the curb. Now, before I mounted to the wall, what I did was just to use, no, I want it to be rustic, so I don't want it to be too smooth, too finished. So what I did was just to take a file and to go around the edges, because I don't want the edges to be too sharp either. So I have been going around the edges, just filing to make the edges a bit rounded. And I've also used the file on the surface of the wood to make it just a little smoother, but not too smooth, because as I said before, I want it to be rustic. And in the areas where the file wasn't sufficient, just use a fine grit sandpaper, don't know what number, but I use it just to go over the rougher areas of the wood. Go around on the wood just to take off some of the rougher surfaces, and then I'll just use my trusty little brush, or you could use a piece of cloth, just to get rid of the dust that's on the wood. Now there it is, it's my shelf. I picked them up actually off the curb, because to me it's not about what the thing is, but what it can become. So now I'm just gonna take my piece of wood, cooling, I like it a lot. I'm going to take my piece of wood over to the wall where I have already measured out and mounted my brackets. Now here I am where I have already mounted my brackets to the wall, and I've actually mounted, screwed and glued a piece of ledger board to the wall just to help to support this big piece of wood as a shelf here in my shop, because I want my space to be rustic. Put this on here, and I'm gonna line it up and screw it in to become my rustic shelf. Wow, that's not gonna move, and I'm not gonna hang on it. I'm just gonna put a pillow on it. My colorful cushion next to my colorful window topper. Now the next time you see a piece of wood on the side of the road, I hope you think about it differently. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and tell somebody about it. Thank you. See you next time.